Just get us on that fucking bit of metal, and then we'll do it. We'll become a circle.
I'd love to. It'd be so much easier if I could just see.
We're back again. Okay.
Turn to circle.
So grab me. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're.
I think we can roll all the way. Yeah.
No. Oh.
Every now and then we just do a little kick, so we don't get stuck in the fucking air ducts. Oh no, not here.
Okay, we're good.
How is this? Oh!
Wait. How did this happen? How?
Stop kicking! Stop kicking!
How did this happen?
I can't breathe. Oh my god!
Okay.
We're completely stuck. We're on a little fucking circle.